Welcome to Linuxel tutorial. I am going to explain about how to install OpenVAS in Ubuntu. OpenVAS is Open Vulnerability Assessment System. It is a framework of several services and tools which forms an effective vulnerability scanner. It uses a database of over 2,800,000 test plugins. It is a very good alternative for commercial network scanning tools that are available, and the OpenVAS is used worldwide by the security experts. All the products of the OpenVAS are free and are licensed under the GPL. The OpenVAS consists of three parts: the OpenVAS Scanner, OpenVAS Manager, and the OpenVAS CLI. The OpenVAS Scanner executes the real-time vulnerability test very effectively, and it can handle more than one target host in a single time. It provides the OpenVAS transfer protocol, and SSL is also supported for OTP, and the OpenVAS Manager handles the SQL database and the configuration. The OpenVAS Manager can stop, pause, or resume the scanning operations. Now we can see the installation of OpenVAS. First you need to install the SQLite for OpenVAS Manager. The command is apt-get install SQLite 3 and give enter. Now the SQLite package is installed. Next you need to install the other dependency packages. The command is apt-get install python hyphen software hyphen properties space -y. Now give enter. Now the package is installed. Now we need to create a PPA repository for OpenVAS. Command is add apt hyphen repository space PPA colon mar a ZAVI slash OpenVAS. Now give enter. Now press enter again to add the repository. Now the repository is added. Now we can install the OpenVAS package. The command is apt-get install OpenVAS. Give enter. Before running this command, you need to run the apt-get update command. Now we can install the OpenVAS package. Now give enter. Give S to download and install the packages. This will take some time. Now we need to give S to enable the Redis Unix socket to store the data in the Redis database. Now give S. Now the OpenVAS scanner is successfully installed. Now we need to restart the OpenVAS scanner, OpenVAS manager, and the OpenVAS GSA services. The command is /etc init.d OpenVAS scanner, and now give restart. Now the OpenVAS scanner is restarted. Next restart the OpenVAS manager /etc init.d OpenVAS manager space restart. Now it is restarted. Next restart the OpenVAS GSA service /etc init.d OpenVAS GSA restart. Now the service is restarted. Before running the vulnerability test, you need to check the update for the network vulnerability test. You need to upgrade the network vulnerability test. So run the OpenVAS NVT sync command. Now give enter. Now it is updating. This will take some time. Now the network vulnerability test upgrade is completed. Next we now open the browser. Now enter the following URL: https://localhost/login/login.html. Now give enter. Give advanced and add exception and confirm the security exception. Now we can see the Greenbone Security Assistant login page. Now enter the username and password. Default username and password is admin. Now click login. Now we can see the Greenbone Security Assistant is opened. Now when the quick start, you can enter your IP address or the host name of the system that you need to scan. Now enter the IP address. I have entered an IP address of the another Ubuntu machine. Now click start scan. Now here you can see the task is added to the security assistant. Now click this immediate scan. Now we can see the scan is completed and the status is moved to done. Using this way you can scan the systems that you need. And here you have the scan reports, the scan results. And here you have the configuration of the OpenVAS. The OpenVAS vulnerability scanner is successfully installed in Ubuntu. Thank you for watching.